everybody, welcome to my channel. I went to Target. A lot of you guys really enjoyed my Target video that I did last week. I used to do Target Ibotta hauls and I used to do Walmart Ibotta hauls all on the same day. But I feel like I like to do the Weekend Warrior for Walmart, and I like to do now the week Warrior, whatever. I don't know what it's called. Midweek. Anyways, I went to Target. I was like trying to figure out deals the other day. I'm like, okay, let's see, what can I get? What can I get? And I just did a haul on Friday when I was back at my parents' house, and there's just a couple of deals that I did. So some of those deals are still valid today if you guys want to check that out. But here is a new video for new items that I got. I'm pretty excited. One thing did not turn out the way I wanted it, and I'll explain it to you when I get it, but I am loving it. So I ended up getting the Kinder Egg. This was $1.79. There's currently a $1.79 rebate with checkout 51. You just have to watch like a short video and then it'll let you do that, and then you guys can submit your receipt to checkout 51 and you will get your $1.79 back. So that's a great deal. My son's been begging for one and I'm like, no. And then I'm like, wait, we can get one because I have a coupon for it. I ended up having a $3 off coupon in the Target Circle app for the Febreeze plugin. This was $2.99. There was that $3 off coupon. It took off $2.99. So I got this absolutely for free. I did not know this, but this actually has a light on it. So all you need to do is just get the thing, but this is free, a freebie if you guys need to go ahead and use that coupon. Now the coupons have expired, the paper ones have, but you can still use that digital. So we did that. Now I ended up, no, I was confused with this. I'm still learning Target because their signs are a lot different. But it said buy one, you get one like 50% off. So I don't know if I bought two of these, it would have been 50% off. I don't know. I was confused. I just bought one of these, but this is the Old Spice in like the cardboard container. This was $9.99. Yeah, $9.99. But there is a Target cartwheel deal for 40% off, so you want to get this. It ends up becoming $5.99. But then there is a $3 rebate with Ibotta, making it $2.99. I just wanted to do it to see what was going on. But some of you guys really like this stuff, so I wanted to share with that. I wouldn't say that's like the best deal, but I just wanted to try it to see what was going on. But if you guys have done something like that, I get confused because the ocean spray confused me last week. So anyways, so here is my hiccup. Now my store was pretty much completely sold out of sunscreen. Everything was gone. They only had this and one other one. Now this was marked as the $5.99 and the other, or $6.99, and the other one was $7.99. So I'm like, oh, okay, we'll get the $6.99 one. Well, I did not know this, but these were in the wrong spot, and these are actually $7.99. So make sure you keep an eye out for your stuff. But so I'll give you two different scenarios for this. So these were $7.99. They're actually 20% off, making them $6.39. I had a 5 off of 2 coupon that we got in our inserts yesterday. You would pay $7.78. Now, if yours is $6.99, you would pay $6.18. But that's how things go. But you can submit a $2.50 rebate and a $2.50 rebate with Ibotta, making it $2.78 or $1.39 for one of these. If yours is the $6.99 price, it would be $1.18 or 59 cents a piece, which is a pretty good deal. So this is so weird. It's like, these are gel. I've never seen it, but goes on clear, feels cool. We need 50 for this, but yeah, so I got that for my family. Now I ended up doing the Bic razors deals. One of you guys sent me the message for it last week, and I'm sorry, I can't remember your name. Actually, you mentioned it to me, and then you saw that I did a video. But anyways, thank you for giving me this breakdown. But anyways, the Bic razors, these are actually $4.99. These ones are the Soleil Comfort. So $4.99. There's currently a $3 off digital coupon in the coupon, or the Target Circle web app, and then there's also a $3 off coupon in coupons.com. So you'll only be able to use the $3 off coupon at the checkout, so you'll end up paying $6.99. But then you can submit a $3 off coupon with coupons.com, and then you can also submit on Checkout 51 $6 off of 2. Now that is for Walmart or Target or Walgreens or Target only, so you definitely want to do that. So these come out to be a $2.02 moneymaker if you do it that way. So great deal on some Bic razors if you want to go ahead and do that. Now, Bulldog, I was excited to do this deal. I wanted to do this deal last week, and I'm like, no, but then there is a Target deal for this one. So the Bulldog is $6.99. There is currently a 30% off deal with Target Circle. And I had $2 off Peely coupons, if you guys can see the shininess on here. The $2 off Peely coupons, making it $3.03 for one of them. But then there is a $3 rebate with Ibotta, making them just 3 cents. So I bought 2 of them. I can't pass up. My husband actually uses some of this stuff, so I'm like, I'll get it for him. But 3 cents for a bottle, that is a great deal. The Peely coupon does say it is a limit of 2. So make sure if you guys, you know, follow the right directions. So we got the Perrier Energize. I've been wanting to do this deal for a while, but we do have Perrier coupons, but they're for the slim cans, and these are not the slim cans when I was going to do this. These are just regular, there's a 6 count, so the coupon may work, but I'm not chancing it because it's not for the right product. But there was a printable coupon from coupons.com a while back. It is no longer available, so if you guys were able to print that off, definitely go ahead and do it. When I remember I see Ibotta deals and I see printable coupons, I do it because, or anything that's a high value on certain products, so there was a printable for $2, but these were $4.99 on sale. There's currently a 20% off deal with Target Circle, making them $3.99. I used that $2 off printable coupon that is no longer available. You would pay $1.99 for this, but then there is a $2 rebate with Ibotta, making them absolutely free. So if you guys need some Perrier water, carbonated, caffeinated water, I will not, Graham might drink it. He likes pomegranate, so I did that. And then this is the last deal I did. I ended up doing the Dove deal. So thank you for the coupons. I don't know your name because you didn't put your name, but thank you for the Unilever coupons. Thank you very much. I wrote Unilever a website and they're like, oh, blah, 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 blah. And I'm like, no, that doesn't answer my question. I want the inserts back in my area. Well, then they sent me some random email. So I'm going to continue bothering them until they do something about it. So if you guys are no longer getting the Unilever coupons either, continue bothering them until we get the answer that we need, because if there's tons of us trying for it, we're going to get it. So anyways, I got the Dove Men Body Wash. These were $6.99. I used $2 off coupons that we got from the Unilever, so you want to use that. I ended up getting the Dove Hair Therapy. There's actually a $3 off coupon on the Target Circle, so this was $6.99. You want to use that $3 off digital coupon that is in the Target Circle. And then I also got the Dove hand sanitizer. This was $4.99, but there is a $1.50 off Target Circle app coupon, so you guys want to use that. So these are all 4. They are the buy 4, you get a $5 gift card. So I ended up doing this. I bought 4 of these. I used the $3 off digital, the 2 paper ones, and the $1.50 off digital. You'd pay $17.46 for the 4 of these. But with the Dove Hair Therapy, you get $2 back with Ibotta for this one. You get $2.50 back for the Dove Men's Body Wash. So I got $5 back for the Dove Men's. And then you get a rebate with Fetch Rewards for 1,250 points, which is equivalent to $1.25. And these all counted for Fetch Rewards too, but this is a special bonus that you would get the points for, so I ended up doing that. So you're grand, and then you get the $5 gift card. Why did I not write this down? No, I did. I just was not looking. So you get that $5 gift card, so your grand total for all 4 of these is $4.26 or $1.06 a piece, and I'm pretty excited for my husband to use this body wash. He always takes the stuff from me, so there's that. My total came to $44.04. I like to rotate gift cards when I can, so I don't usually pay out of my own money. But $44.05 is what my total came to be. I ended up getting $23.05 back with Ibotta. I'm still waiting for my Ibotta to approve my receipt. Usually they do it right away with, I know with Walmart, but Target's just kind of been a little slacking. But $23.05 is what the total came out to be. With checkout 51, I'm getting $7.79 back. That is $6 for the Bic and $1.79 for the Kinder Joy. For Fetch Reward, I got 1,424 points, which is $1.42 for those 4 items. I got $1.42 back from Fetch. Yay! I received that $5 off coupon. I also submitted my receipt to coupons.com for the $3 coupon, or yeah, $3 off coupon. And then there's the weekend, or the weekly, midweek bonus, whatever, the week bonus. I ended up needing 5 rebates to get $1. $1. So I'll be getting that $1. So my grand total came to $2.79. I got 14 items at just 20 cents each. $2.79. I think that's awesome. I don't even have anything here that was under $2. I mean, even that free plug-in thing wasn't even $2.79. So happy about that. I really wanted to do the Palmolive hand soap, but some people are saying that there's coupons attached to the things. My store did not have any coupons. If they did, I would have bought that because I'm excited to try that. But other than that, that is my haul. Thanks for watching. I will see you guys possibly next week. I'm going to try to share with you guys Target deals as I can. I know you guys really enjoy it. Give this video a thumbs up. Let me know you enjoy it. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys next week. See you later. Bye-bye.